Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to share Reddit posts on Facebook pages. Suppose I am running a community on my Reddit account and now I want that as soon as I will post something on that community, automatically the same post should also be shared on my Facebook page. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software to connect both of them. Now here we have Reddit in our trigger and Facebook pages in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically share our Reddit post on Facebook page. Now, in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Reddit with Facebook pages, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. In order to create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all our workflows which we create, and we can also create folders here in order to save our workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us provide a name over here. Share Reddit post on Facebook page. And now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Let's suppose we are going to take Reddit in our trigger and Facebook pages in our action, and we want that as soon as we will post something on Reddit community, automatically the same post should also be shared on our Facebook page. Now here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the post is created on Reddit, then only it is shared on Facebook pages. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, that is Reddit. And now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. We will simply select new post as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a new post will be created on our Reddit account, the workflow should get triggered with that response. Let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Reddit account. We will click on connect with Reddit. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Reddit account. Let's click on allow, as it is 100% safe. With this, our authorization has become successful. Now, after building the connection, it is asking us the name of the subreddit on which we want to create the post. So the name of my subreddit here is history and dates. What we are going to do, we will simply copy the name from the URL and we will paste it over here in this field. It is given in the instructions that if the name of your community or the subreddit is r/testxyz20, for example, then you do not have to include r/ in the name, and we have done that same. Now let's click on save and send test request. But before that, let me tell you that Reddit is based on polling time of 10 minutes. So Pabbly Connect is going to check for the new data in Reddit in every 10 minutes. Now here, when we are going to click on save and send test request, we are going to receive the response of the last post which was created in Reddit account. That is this history of 14 December. So let's click on save and send test request over here. And we have received the response, history of 14 December. Now, either we can create a new post and then we can click on save and send test request button to capture the new response. Okay, so here I am going to create a new post and then I will click on save and send test request button. Let us click on plus sign to create a new post over here. Let's say history of 15th December. Let's click on post button to post it. and our post is added. Okay, so we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and now we'll click on save and send test request to capture the new response. And here we have received the response along with the title, history of 15th December and the content. Okay, now by using this response, we are going to move further and we are going to share the same post on our Facebook page. So I'm running a Facebook page with a name as Pabbly and I want to share my Reddit post on this page. So we have to connect the same page with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step, and in our action application, we will select Facebook pages. And in the action event, we will simply select create page post. We will click on connect, and now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook pages account. We will click on connect with Facebook pages, and our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, Pabbly Connect has deducted that and now my authorization has become successful. So my Facebook pages is connected with Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, you have to keep logging to your applications before making the connection with Pabbly Connect. We will move further and first of all, we need to select the page on which we want to create the post. From the drop down, I'm simply going to select my Pabbly page. And now here we have to enter the message which we want to share in the form of post. So we have already received the details of the post in our earlier response. So we will simply map the same detail over here. What is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. Here we can find that our previous step, that is Reddit, is given. We will select that and here are all the details. First of all, we will map the title and then we will map the content. So this is the content of the post. We have mapped that. Okay. Now why we have mapped this data instead of entering it manually? Because we want that whenever a new post will be created in Reddit and the response of that post will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, the data in this field should get automatically replaced with the new data of that new post. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically with each response, there we map it by using our previous step. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now, along with the post, if you also want to share an image, if you have also received the link URL of the image in your earlier response from Reddit, then you can also map it over here. But because I am creating a text post, therefore I am ignoring this field. We will click on save and send test request button. And we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the ID. That means the post is created on our Pabbly page on Facebook. Let's go and check on our page. And here we will refresh the page once. And we can find that yes, automatically the post is shared over here with the same title and content of the post which we have recently shared on our Reddit account. Okay, so this means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully built an integration between Reddit and Facebook pages. Now we are going to test this workflow once again. I am going to create a new post on my Reddit community, and as soon as I will create a new post here on the community, automatically without any manual efforts, the post will be shared on our Facebook page also. So let's create a post over here. I will again click on this plus sign and now I'm going to create the post on, let's say, history of 16th December. Okay, and here I'm going to enter the content. So I have entered the content, the history of 16th December. We'll click on post. The post is created over here, and as soon as we have created a post over here, after 10 minutes, automatically without any manual efforts, the same post will be shared on our Facebook page also. So let's wait for 10 minutes. And yes, we can find that after 10 minutes, automatically the post is shared on the Facebook page. This means that our workflow is running perfectly fine. So we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Reddit, and in action, we have taken Facebook pages. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new post will be shared on our Reddit community, automatically the same post will also be shared on our Facebook page. So by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation. This is going to enable you to automatically share your Reddit post on your Facebook page. And with this, very easily, without any manual efforts, you can enhance your Reddit community along with the Facebook page. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.